Do stairs feel harder than they used to? Like your knees ache, your balance feels off, or your legs just don't respond the same? You're not alone, and you're not imagining it. After 60, even one flight can feel like a mountain. But here's the good news. You can rebuild your strength, balance, and stair confidence right at home. No gym, no equipment. Just 3 smart moves. The reason stairs get harder? It starts with sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss that begins around 30 and speeds up over time. But you can fight back. The key is doing the right exercises that target the muscles we rely on to stay strong, steady, and independent. These 3 moves will strengthen your legs, protect your joints, and bring back your balance. First up, standing bird dog. Great for balance and core control. Stand tall beside a chair or wall, shift your weight to one leg, reach your opposite arm forward and the opposite leg back. Hold, then return. Do 8 do 10 powtórzeń na stronę. This builds the strength and balance you need to move confidently, upstairs, over curbs, or just around the house. Next, lateral step-ups. Stand beside a low step. Step sideways onto it, then back down with control. Repeat 8 to 10 times each side. Why it works? This targets your side glutes and hip stabilizers, essential for stair strength and fall prevention. Can't step all the way up yet? Just tap your foot on the step. Start where you are. Finally, eccentric step downs. The most important move for knee control. Stand on a low step, slowly lower one foot to the floor. Don't rush. Then push back up through the leg that stayed on the step. Do 6 to 10 reps per leg. This move trains your body to control the descent, key for safe stair use and avoiding knee strain. These moves may be simple, but they're powerful. Done consistently, they can help you climb stairs with confidence again. No more holding the railing tight, no more hesitation. Just strength, balance, and steady steps, one day at a time. If you're ready to take your strength back, drop a stronger steps in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. More easy, joint-friendly routines are coming your way. Let's keep moving together.